Okay, continuation. Now it's going to be on a searching for behind the scenes. Okay, we got Elizabeth stripped. We're going to go ahead and get her rolled up. We're going to go ahead and put her in the carry case, which you just saw that last video I put together. And go ahead and get this so it's as portable as possible now. My problem was I had those nylon letters that were stuck to this. And the last time I went to frickin', the first time, should I say, I went to frickin', should I say, the first time that I rolled it up, I unrolled it and all the letters, most of the letters fell off. So that didn't help me any because I had to re-put them back on, as you saw in that video. And I got tired of that and I said, the heck with it. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to paint over the letters. So that's what I did. So there we are. Let's get this rolled up and get her in that carrying case. It is still 34 degrees out. It's freaking a crazy day here. Okay, we got her rolled up. Now we got to get her into that freaking cart there. It's 80 freaking pounds. I'm doing my best to get that in there. Then it's moving it around. Then I get it out, and now I gotta put it on something so I can just slide that thing right back into the receiver, and then go. So it's gonna be a package deal here. Okay, let's get this on here. Take 80 pounds here. Throw her in there. I do have that. No problem is now you got stuff coming from behind here and whipping at it. The rocks could be anything right now. I need to take a look at that bag and see if that bag fits in here. I suppose it's a bag. I might be able to put this right in the bag. It's actually less than that. Here's this. This is a bag. Gold. somebody dumps that in there. Now what we'll have to do is I'll probably have to put a tarp. Lay a tarp in there, and then just wrap it up. And it'll protect it from getting whacked by stones. Great. Side. Fortunately, I'm guessing not. The bag that this came in is not as big as this one here. But unfortunately, this is not going to work. So it's going to be a tarp. Wrapping it up in the tarp scenario here. Got a bite. Oh, nuts. Shoot. Need to make the zippers wider. I don't think I can roll it up and it's fine. Make it smaller. Making it smaller is nothing. Easier to transport. Not really worried about it. It's going to be a matter of freaking putting it on a tarp in it and wrapping it up. getting wet or anything. I just don't want stuff whacking it as you're going down the road, you know? So, throw it in there, throw it out, fill it up with air, and then go. You don't need all this extra work trying to get it in. Well, that bites. I hope that was going to be a better deal. Doesn't mean you can't put stuff in it and throw it up on the roof. So, but not what I'm about. I need to get. Five-foot wide cart. There you go. Even across that. That's good. And of course, you're trying to conserve space because you got dive gear, you got everything else you need that you're going to need in here. Nice. It's not like this is even going to come out of here, so you know. Right, that's that. Alright, so plenty of clearance, close that up. I need a bigger trunk. But anyway, there we are. And she's all ready to go. Just gotta be able to get all your crap in there and be all set. Now I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna take this on and off. Take this on and off, but I'm not using it. Alright. I'm trying to solve my problem as to what to do with it when I don't need it. Well, you're not going to probably have one of these, but this is a transmission jack. And I was able to jack it up high enough to sit that puppy right on there. And I can move it around. Move it around wherever I want now. And then I can line it right back up, slide it right back in the receiver, put the pin in, and we're on our way. Alright. I gotta put this 2-inch ball back in here. We'll do that one. And then we'll hook the trailer right back up. We'll be on our way again with the trailer. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and please subscribe. Sooner I reach 1,000, then I'll start producing income to help me search. So, thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next Searching For. This is considered behind the scenes.